Hey guys, it's Jason with JJ Drones, and we're out here in New Mexico on I-40, and traffic is just backed up for miles. You can see the line of trucks all the way down there, and you can see the line of trucks all the way down there. We got maybe 3 inches of snow. The big thing is, when you're driving in winter weather like this, especially this being the first snowfall of the year, definitely drive slow, because state right here, all this is just ice, and it's extremely dangerous. There's been a lot of really bad wrecks, so be out there, be careful.